Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you elimination method of solving pair of linear equations. This method is there for 10th standard civics syllabus. So let us start. So the example is solve for x and y. So as I told you, there will be pair of linear equations in two variable. Linear equations are equations with degree 1. So here you can see that power of x and y both powers is 1, here also 1, so it is called as linear equation, and in two variable, that is what, x and y. So see how to get the solution for these two equations. So elimination method means you have to eliminate or delete something, so that elimination is of either x or y. So how to eliminate x or y, let us see. Usually we will eliminate x. See here, what is first step? Make quotients of either x or y equal. So you have to decide which variable you are going to choose. So I would like to choose x. I am going to make quotients of here x. This x and this 6 should be what? Same. Here we can see, here there is 2. You can't change this. Here is 1. And how you are going to make same? By multiplying with suitable number. So I am going to write this equation 1. I would like to bring here 2. So how to bring 2? Just multiply this by 2, because we know that if we multiply 2 on either of the side, it holds equality. So I'll multiply this by 2. So it will be what? 2x minus 2y equals to 10. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into y is 2y. That is minus 2y. 2 into 5 is 10. So this is our equation. Let us say equation 1, and our equation 2 is what? 2x plus y equals to 10. This is our equation 2. Next, you have to eliminate. Remember, first step is over. You have made the quotient of x equal by multiplying with suitable number, that is 2. Now, you have to eliminate one of the variable. So, whose quotient you have made same, that only you have to eliminate. It will be easy. So, how to eliminate this? Either add or subtract given equations to eliminate x or y. So these two are given equations. You have to eliminate by adding or subtracting. If you look at these equations, write down once again. 2x minus 2y equals to 10. And the second one is 2x plus y equals to 10. Now you can see that you have to eliminate these two. If you add it, it will be about 4x. X will not be eliminated. So we have to subtract this. So from this equation 1, subtract equation 2. So you can write here 1 minus 2. So this is 1 minus equation 2. So when you are subtracting, just change the sign of second equation, because you are subtracting the second from the 1. So this plus will be minus, because finally plus minus will be minus, plus minus will be minus, plus minus will be minus. So just change the sign of second equation. So plus 2x minus 2x will be what? 0. X, that is what? Here x has been eliminated. Now minus 2y minus y will remain this side. Here 10 minus 10. So what will get here? Minus 3y equals to 0. So y will be what here? 0 divided by minus 3 will be 0. So you got here one of the variable will remain and its value you will get. That is what? Y equals to 0. Now what you have to do? You have to solve for x now. How to solve for x? Because we have solved y here. So put this value of y in one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, or the main equations you can use here. So I would like to choose the second equation. So I'll write this 2x plus y equals to 10. This is what our equation 2. So here I'll put y equals to 0. So it will be 2x plus 0 equals to 10. So we want to solve x. So it will be 10, because 2x plus 0 is 2x. So x will be what? 10, and this 2 will go this side, go that side. It will be what? Divided by 2. So our x will be what? 5. So If you put the value of x as 5 and y as 0 in this equation, it will be 5. See here, x is 5 and y is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. You can verify like this. Or here also, our x is 5. 5 2s are 10 and y is 0. So LHS and RHS are equal. Verification is done. So it means what? Whatever value of x and y you have got from elimination method, they are correct. If you like my explanation, do like and subscribe my channel.